Reading tutorial. Sound drill. Important tip. In teaching the sound, make sure that you don't add an intrusive to the end of the consonant sound. Just pronounce them as pure sounds. M, not m. L, not l. S, not s. And t, not t. A, a. Mm, mm. S, s. L, l. T, t. Listing sound combinations out of the 5 starting sounds. Let's start with A. Pair the sound A to each of the remaining sounds. Begins with A. Ends with A. Form a CVC sound combination that begins with S and ends with S using the 5 starter sound. Begins with S. Ends with S. Form a CVC sound combination that begins with L and ends with L using the 5 starter sound. Begins with L. Ends with L. Form a CVC sound combination that begins with M and ends with M using the 5 starter sound. Begins with M. Form a CVC sound combination that begins with T and ends with T using the 5 starter sound. Begins with T. Ends with T. Sound blend. Take note. Say the sound of the letter where the line under passes through and then connect the sounds to read it. Sound combination that begins with A. A. S. A. S. Ass. Ass. A. L. A. L. Al. Al. A. Mm. A. Mm. Am. Am. A. T. A. T. At. At. sound combination that ends with a. S, a, s, a, sa, sa, l, a, l, a, la, la, a, a, ma, ma, t, a, t, a, ta, ta. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.